my name is Heather McCarty, and I teach in the History Department and the Gender and Women's Studies program. I also help to co-found and co-direct the Lytton Center for History and the Public Good. And this little video is about the administrative salaries at Ohlone College. It's an issue that I've raised a few times, and a few folks asked me if I would kind of share my research. And so that's what I'm doing. So last year, the top 18 administrators at Ohlone College made more in salary on average than any other college in the entire state. And the administrators that are classified into this category, these top 18 administrators, are the ones that the Chancellor's Office has identified to compare. So the California Community College Chancellor's Office did a comparison of the president, VPs, executive deans, and executive director salaries. And so those are the 5 categories that they considered in their top administrative range. And you can see here, this is from Datamar, and it's actually from the Chancellor's Office. And you can see here at Ohlone College that we have a total of 18 in these varying categories, and that the average salary is $269,138. And so that is a pretty impressive number. And if you're wondering, like I know a lot of people were, how does that compare to everybody else? Here you go. That's our salary, Ohlone College right here, $269,138. South Orange County, they make $261,527. And I will note that they are a basic aid district, which means they have a lot more money than we do. Mira Costa, also a basic aid district, makes $247,689 on average for their top administrators. And then Foothill, our own little local neighbor, they make $230,856 on average for their top administrators. So Ohlone College is the best place to work in terms of pay if you're an administrator. Not true for any of the other units, I will note, but it is if you're an administrator at the college. And so why does all this matter? Because we are currently on hold harmless for the SCIF. And we've been receiving more money each year for the past 7 years than we should be because we're being funded through hold harmless. This means that since 2018, we've received over $38 million in what really should be kind of surplus money because we're not paying faculty to teach those classes. We're not paying staff to support those students. We should have surplus money, but we don't. In fact, CSEA, SEIU, and UFO have not received full COLA for the past couple of years because the district has said that they cannot afford to pass it along. Keep in mind, COLA is cost of living adjustment, and the state actually gives it to the college to pass on to their employees. But we have not had full COLA passed on because they have been saying that money is too tight. But it shouldn't be too tight. We should actually be having a surplus. This year's board-approved tentative budget could not be balanced without using one-time reserves from Fund 69 and OPEB monies, and you can see more about that in another video. We are that broke. And administrative bloat and high administrative salaries are why we are broke. We have too many administrators for our college size. Feel free to watch my video on administrative bloat to learn more about that. And as you just learned now, our top administrators, the top 18, make more money than any other administrators in the entire state of California. So this is our real fiscal reality. This is the problem here. And I hope and invite you to join me in encouraging the administration to actually address this problem, to address the high number of administrators we have, as well as their very high compensation. We are in a real fiscal crisis, and we shouldn't be. We should be having a surplus. Thanks.